Hello, I'm Ryan Kraft with RDO Equipment Company. Want to make sure your equipment is running at its best this season? Then have it inspected and repaired by a trained RDO Equipment Company technician. Then follow up that assurance with peace of mind with the Ready Plus program in the event of an unforeseen breakdown. Ready Plus is a program designed to protect your uptime and keep your equipment running at its optimal performance level. This program provides protection for John Deere tractors, combines, sprayers, and self-propelled forage harvesters that are less than 10 years old and have fewer than 5,000 hours. If you make the recommended repairs from the inspection, the machine will be Ready Plus eligible, giving you extended warranty options. Ready Plus also provides machine expert alert monitoring to protect your machine from major breakdowns before they occur. If a repair is needed that will take the machine out of service, a loaner is provided to keep you running in the field. Having a great day in the field all starts with your equipment working at its best. Keep it running by having a detailed inspection performed by RDO Equipment Company. Then consider a Ready Plus extended warranty to protect your uptime and equipment investment. If you have any questions, call or stop by our nearest store or go to our website to learn more.